How to add Bluetooth icon to your taskbar. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add the Bluetooth icon on the taskbar right here. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your settings. So just right click on your Bluetooth icon to go to settings, or you can normally open your settings from your taskbar. And once you are inside Bluetooth settings, scroll down until you see this view more devices. Just click here. And if you scroll down, you will see more Bluetooth settings. Just open this, and once your Bluetooth settings is open, you can click on allow Bluetooth to find this PC and go to COM ports. You can see all of these serial ports listed on this section, and on options you can see show the Bluetooth icon in notification area. So if you click on it and click on apply and then OK, then your Bluetooth icon will be shown right here. So as you can see, if I click on this arrow right here, I can see my Bluetooth icon, which was previously not visible. If I want to add it to my taskbar, I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. So if I just drop it besides this, I have my Bluetooth icon on my taskbar. And that's how you can add Bluetooth icon to your taskbar on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new updates. I'll see you on the next one.